Yeah, my name's Robert Cole, B.Cole Sons Amusements. We started the fun fair, my great-grandfather in about 1880. The fun fair has been in our family for over 100 years. The Coles family's history has been in Southampton for so many years. It's been one of our, well, for the last 4 generations we've lived in Southampton. Southampton's it's a nice place to live and to come to. It's a very nice place. The people of Southampton's always liked the fair on Southampton Common for generations. Common was one of our favourite fairs. The fun fair ain't as successful as it used to be years ago because there's a lot more other things for the public to do, so it's not as busy as it used to be years ago. It's developed quite a bit from the new transport and the later rides being developed, more thrilling rides, and it's got a lot more thrilling for the younger generation. The Oxygen is one of our latest rides, and also the Starflyer, which is very popular. Favourite ride really, most people, is the Dodgems. The fun fair is going to change over the years. It's going to become more electronic and digital, same as everything else. For the future, hopefully we will buy some new rides if we can afford to, and hopefully just carry on. I've got 2 sons and 4 daughters, so hopefully one of my sons will take over, or otherwise one of my daughters.